How to turn on or off App Store personalized recommendations in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on your Apple account. Now click on media and purchases and then click on view account. Now here you can see the option personalized recommendations. Now here you can turn on or off your personalized recommendation by turning this button on or off. So this is the way to turn on or off App Store personalized recommendations in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.